So in the last class, we have discussed about the print statements. We have discussed about this, what do you call, just a quick warm up of variable names. We have seen what are the different data types, correct? So let's start our journey with syntax of declaring a variable. How do I declare a variable? Data type, variable name. So why do we use a data type? Why Java made it mandatory? Because Java is a statically typed programming language. What do you mean by statically typed programming language? A data type shall always be associated with the variable name. Other programming languages which fits the bill, other programming languages that falls under the same category are C hash and TypeScript. Other programming language which follow the same category is known as C# and TypeScript. So whenever we are declaring a variable, you have to associate with a data type so that it will understand what kind of data can I store. Okay. So I'll say int A1 char B2 double C3 float F4 byte G5 short H6 boolean I7 long J8. So this is how we declare the variables. In the yesterday's class, we have seen how do we declare a variable. What are the rules that we need to follow? It should always start with a small letter. It should not start with a capital letter or a number or a special character. It should always it should not have any white spaces between the variable names, and you should not use any Java keywords as part of your variable names. Okay. So once this is completed, what next? What is the understanding of this? When I say Boolean, it accepts true or false and occupies one bit of memory in the heap. Okay. So when I say a character accepts a single value like small t, h, capital letter, or a number, or a white space, or any special character, okay, it accepts a single value only. It can be a number, it can be a small letter, capital letter, white space, or any special character, and occupies 2 bytes of memory in the heap. What is heap and all, I will tell you. For now, you just understand that inside the JVM, it will occupy 2 bytes of memory. Accepts a range of values from -128 to 127 and occupies 1 byte of memory in the heap. Accepts a range of values from -32,768 to 32,767 and occupies 2 bytes of memory in the heap. Double, int accepts a range of values from -2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. Accepts a range of values from -2 power 63 to 2 power 63 minus 1. So what do you mean by float? Accepts, okay, and occupies 4 bytes of memory in the heap. And long occupies 8 bytes of memory in the heap. accepts up to significant accepts up to five significant digits. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by significant digits? Anyone has any idea what you mean by significant digits?
After decimal,
Yes. That means after decimal point, it will accept five digits. Okay. And occupies 4 bytes of memory in the heap. When I say double, accepts up to 16 significant digits after the decimal point, it will accept 16 digits and occupies 8 bytes of memory in the heap. Clear? Syntax of initializing a variable. So variable name equal to value. So I'll say a1 equal to whatever values you want, you can assign it. Okay. F4. So letter F is used at the end to determine it is a float value, because the compiler might be confused which one is a double value, which one is a float value. So they have used the letter F to determine that it is a float value. G5. So if I exceed the range of the value, what it will tell you, required type byte, but you have provided an integer value. So it will throw a problem. So always ensure that whatever value you are storing, ensure that it is within the range. Don't exceed the range. Okay. I7, you can say true. J8, I'll say. So need to use the letter L is used at the end to determine it is a float value. Is this clear, everybody? Perfect. So if once everyone is clear, I will go with the next one. So what happened? Long value, Videsh. What happened to long value? Yeah, J8, what happened? Could you unmute and speak? Okay. So can we print the values in the variable? G5, H6, I7, J8. So what we are doing here, we are printing the, okay. So what we are doing here, we are printing the values of the variable. Okay. So let me execute this program. How do I execute this? Do a right click and click on run. So is this clear, everybody? Yep. So can we perform any arithmetic operations here? Well, A1 minus B2 plus J8 minus G5. Can anyone try solving this question on line number 34? You can use your calculators, guys. Since the values are slightly bigger, you can use your calculators. Guys, answers, please. I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can anyone tell me the answers? Okay. Okay. So the value is this 9124891248 Okay. 9124891248 So somewhere Namburi and Vasu has made the mistake. So just have a look at it. B2 means we will take the ASCII value of 4. What is the ASCII value of 4? 52. Got it?
Yes.
So anyways, we can solve a lot of questions on this. Okay. Now, since we are all new to Java, and sometimes we'll be confused which data type do we need to store the variable. I don't remember it exactly. So from JDK 10 onwards, where keyword is responsible for storing the data of different values. Like for suppose you don't know that for a character you have to store it in a char data type. For an integer you don't know you have to store it in an int data type. You forgot it. So what I will do here, I will say var k2 equal to 500. So in this case, what we can say that I don't need to remember the data type. I can directly use the var keyword. And in Java or any programming language, I can use the same variable to reassign the data. Okay. Using the same variable, we are reassigning the data. Clear? Is this clear, everyone?
Where
Var is the keyword that is used when you don't remember the data type. And this k2 equal to 900, whatever, what you are trying to say, using the same variable, we are reassigning the data. That means we are replacing the data that is present in the original variable. It is
okay.
applicable for all the above data types. Like I can say A1 equal to 250 at different row. That is not a problem.
First time I'm hearing where in Java.
So, yes. So if I say K2 equal to, what do you call, false, this is not accepted. So where keyword whole purpose is to store the data into the variable if you don't know the data type. That doesn't mean that you can change the value, you can store whichever values you want. Okay. Throws compilation error as as a number is already as an integer value is stored at the top. All right. So when I say the var, what is happening? You don't know whether it's in pipe short or long. It doesn't matter. So it will automatically understand that, okay, I have to store it as an integer value. It will do all the hard work. You need not remember anything. So using the var keyword, can we perform different arithmetic operations? So if you can execute this program, you will get some answer. Definitely, where keyword is a smart one. It will understand what to do, where to do, all these things. You need not remember any data types. The where keyword will take care of you. So Rahul, in future we'll be discussing strings, arrays, all these things. Will the where keyword will work effectively the same way? Yes, where keyword will work effectively the same way. Okay.
So Rahul, you mean like suppose if you are declaring a variable where
Mm.
k1 is equal to 51, and
Mm.
again, if you are assigning k1 is equal to 59.01, then it will
Then
throw
it
an
will
error
run
because
on. Yes.
because it has already an integer value. So
It
the
has already understood
yeah,
as an integer value.
integer value. Okay.
So the word here is without remembering the data types. Like if
Okay.
you are not comfortable in remembering the data types for the first time, we can use the where keyword.
Okay.
And again, in JavaScript, this was the this concept was there long back. Now they have stopped using where keyword. So on the similar lines they have drawn without disturbing the statically typed nature of Java programming language. Is this clear, everybody? What is a variable? How we are storing the data? How are we performing different arithmetic operations? All those things. Okay.
Rahul, one question.
Hmm.
This what about the memory it will have in the heap? So it will
It
depend
will
on
be
the
in
value
stack.
we are storing.
It, it will
Okay,
be
it
in the
will be in
stack.
stack. Okay, okay,
Variables are always in the stack, not in the heap.
okay.
What is heap and stack, we will see later. But for your answer, I've given it stack. Not only in Java, in any programming language. Even JavaScript also heap and stack. Even Python also heap and stack. Okay. I7 minus H8. This will throw a compilation error. Why? Because we cannot perform any arithmetic operations with Boolean values in Java. This is specific to Java. Now, again, when you go to JavaScript, TypeScript, is this applicable? Yes. This is applicable in TypeScript and JavaScript, but it is not applicable in Java, C Sharp. Okay. Java, C Sharp, it is not applicable. I hope this is clear for everybody. Now, can we combine these variables with a print statement, like with the existing sentence in a print statement? Like I want to say, value of A1 is A1. Well, you can do it. Who is stopping you? You can do it. Value of B2 is this clear? Is this clear, everybody? You can
Yeah.
use the print statements like this. Now, now, Rahul, sometimes we are not comfortable in using the plus symbol. Like sometimes we don't know when to use plus, sometimes I'll be confused generally. So I'll say value of J8 is, we have another concept in print called as printf. What I will do, I will say value of J8 is percentage D. That means what? Previously, what we used to do, we used to append the data to the variables using the plus symbol. Now, what we are doing here, we are using a printf. So that means you need not use a plus symbol to store the data of the variable. So we are using another special characters, that is percentage D. What does this percentage D represent? It represents a number without any decimal values, comma J8. So in this case, what is happening here? It will do a one-to-one mapping. Like for suppose, so this J8 will be mapped to this percentage D automatically because we are using system.printf. Printf is nothing but formatting the statement. So let me run this program. Is this clear, everyone? If you are not comfortable with using the plus symbol to attach the variables or any parameters or any arguments further, you can use system.out.printf. What it will do, it will store the data here automatically. It will do the one-to-one mapping automatically for the right data type. So Bidesh, what did you not understand in printf? Which point made you confused? We'll focus on that point. Percentage D is used to replace a number. Like at this position, I know I am expecting a number. So I use percentage D. So what is the variable? What is the value I have to replace? I will replace it with J8. And condition satisfied is, now I want to assign a Boolean value. So I'll use percentage B, comma I7. Got it? When we are using printf statements, we use percentage D to represent a number, percentage B to represent a Boolean value, percentage, what do you call, S to represent a string value, percentage T to represent a character value, percentage point 3F to represent a decimal value, which will accept up to 3 significant digits. Clear? So we have to remember all these things because when we go discuss some JDK 15 or 16 features, these things come in handy. Okay. So if you see here, I am avoiding the plus symbol. Like I'm not concatenating or joining the variable using the plus symbol. I'm using the special characters like percentage D, which represents a number. Like in this position, I want a number. In this position, I want a Boolean value. I know at what position I want to have. So I'll be using the special characters. Now, what does it do? It will do a one-to-one mapping. Okay, you need a percentage D. I will check whether it's a numeric value. Satisfied. I will take it. Now, in the second argument, what I'm expecting, Boolean value. Now, in the second line, I have a Boolean value. Yes, completely fine. Now, all my conditions are satisfied. Now, Rahul, if I pass a different data type, what will happen? Like instead of I7, I'll pass A1. Then what will happen? It will, in this case, it will print as true. Because here we are putting a Boolean value. Whenever we are putting a Boolean value, the behavior changes slightly. So if we are having a genuine value, it will print true. If you're not having a genuine value, it will print false. So for starters, I will not use percentage B. I'll just use percentage S. So what is happening here? It is taking this numeric value as a string. Automatically, the conversion is happening. Like this integer is being stored as a numeric value. So these are certain combinations that you will need to remember. When we discuss in the strings class, we will again revise these concepts where you will see me using this kind of special characters on a regular basis. Okay. We will again have a detailed round of discussion in strings because we have a concept there. In that concept, you need
So
to understand what does the symbols mean. Yeah.
I didn't get what's the correct usage of this. Like, where would we use it? Like,
So basically, you see, how am I assigning the values to the variable? You know this plus A1 plus B2 plus C3, right?
yes, yeah.
I don't want to use plus. Without using the plus symbol, how I want to parameterize my data inside the print statement. Got it? Now,
Okay.
in this particular place, I know I have to want a number, but I don't want to append that variable name here. So I will mark this location stating that, boss, I need an integer value here. So what is a variable? I'll be passing the variable here directly. Got it?
Okay.
So, so the one-to-one mapping happens here itself. At this position, you want an integer. So I'll check my first argument, whether it's an integer value. Yes, go ahead. Now, at the second position, I'm expecting a string value, but you have given a numeric value. You're given a numeric value. What it will do? It auto
It
converts
doesn't
this
do the map.
numeric. It will
Okay.
automatically convert this integer to a string value because internally there is a wrapping mechanism that happens. So that is why I told you in strings class you'll have more details on this. This is just a trailer.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we understood, Jaya, the purpose of using this kind of printf statements. So since if you're not comfortable or if you are lazy to write plus symbol, if you're lazy to write the print statement like this, like plus C3 or plus B2 or plus A1, you don't know where to put the plus symbol, how to append the variables within the print statement. So what you know, at this point, I know I have an integer. At this point, I know I want to have a string value. Got it?
Yep. Okay. Is this a new feature or is
It's
it's
a very
there?
old feature. It's a very old feature.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
It's a very old feature. But still, we use it for different purposes. In regular
Uh,
expressions, and all, we use this. Yeah. Go ahead.
like these questions will can we expect in interview printf
This
like
is
that?
this is the base of regular expressions, and regular expressions are very important. The regular
Okay.
expression starts because of this. Regular expressions has a very crazy demand. So
Okay. Thank you.
you might not get a straightforward question in the interview. There is a separate concept. If you can answer that concept, then they will know that you know the advanced features of Java. For that, I'm just laying down the fundamentals for you. If everybody is clear, can we go with the next
So
topic,
we should be
guys?
careful while doing the mappings, right? The value should not be
Yes,
interchanged. That's the important
yes,
some point, yeah.
yes, yes. I mean, minimum careful. In
Yeah,
this way also in this way you need to remember the syntax and you need to be careful of what variable you're passing. Here you need to be careful of what variable you're passing.
yeah,
I mean, both have pros and cons, Balram. You need to choose at the right moment. That's it. As per your understanding, as per your comfort nature.
yeah.
My job is to give you two approaches. You choose which you're comfortable.
Yeah.
So let's go to the next topic without wasting much of our time. That is string concepts. Okay. So in this system, I have JDK24. That is why I'm using public static void main. Okay. Okay. So what is a string? String is nothing but a combination of characters. This shall be your definition anywhere if someone asks. It's a combination of characters. It's not a combination of letters or alphabets, letters or digits. It's a combination of characters. Got it? String is the only non-primitive class coming from the java.lang package. Remember this point. Coming from java.lang package. So what is the syntax of declaring a string variable? String variable name equal to value. The value, whatever you're declaring, shall be within the double inverted comma. So previously we have seen two lines of code for declaring and initializing the variable. That is because most of you are new to the Java programming. I wanted to keep it simple. Now our journey has proceeded further in such a way that we can write the variable name and value in the same line. Okay, perfect. So what next? I'll say string A2, A3 equal to. Today we are learning about the concept of strings and its functions. Okay, this is how we declare a string variable.
Can you maximize this?
Already it's maximized.
You mean like console? He's asking me.
No, no, not console. Actually, full
Close the
window.
console, yeah.
Okay. So if I print this, what will be the output?
The whole
Yes.
String within the double quotes.
string within double
Yeah.
quotes.
Yes. Now the next question is, how much memory does this string occupy? Can anyone tell me how much memory, how much bytes of memory does the string occupy? This shall be an easy question, guys. Any try? If it's wrong also, it's fine. Give it a try.
256.
Uh-huh. 4 bytes.
Bytes.
Okay. Before this, let's discuss one more function. When I say a3.length, what does it do? Prints the total number of characters present inside the string.
Yeah.
So how many characters are there? How many characters is there? Can anyone count for me?
10.
It will count
Close to
even
40
spaces also.
spaces as well. It's 40,
Mhm.
42.
40,
Is
42.
without the space. Without the space, I'm talking. I have
Mm.
not counted the space. So maybe.
Balram, what is the definition? What is the definition of the total number of characters?
Characters.
What do you mean by a character?
Single
Yeah,
letter.
discuss.
Yeah.
What does a single letter constitute of? It shall be. White space is also a character, right? We have discussed this.
No, I missed the starting 10 minutes.
Okay, okay. So it will
Around
be
66
69.
maybe.
69. So 69 is the size of the character. So it will be 2 into 69. That is how much? 138 bytes
38.
of memory. 138 bytes of memory will be occupied. So you might wonder how we have calculated this. In this class, what did I tell you? It occupies, each and every character occupies 2 bytes of memory in the heap. Now in the string, how many characters are there? 69 characters. So 69 into 2 is 138. Got it?
Yeah. So it counts
This
the
ca-
space also, right, Rahul?
yes, yes. As
Okay.
I told you, character, right? I was
Yeah.
very clear with the statement. Character. Character means a single alphabet, single number, a single white space, or a special character. It can be anything.
Okay.
Strings are like bread and butter, guys. Not only for automation, for developers also. For everyone, this is like a bread and butter. The more you know about strings, the better for you. A3.2 uppercase means converts the string to capital letter. A3.2 lowercase converts the string to small letter. So if I execute this, you can see the string converted to capital letter, completely capital letter, or completely small letter. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When I say A3 dot is empty, checks if the given string is empty or not. Returns true if the above condition is satisfied, else false. Any guesses what will be the output?
True. Sorry,
False.
false, false.
It is false. Now,
True.
True.
so when I say the word empty, 0 characters shall be present in the string. That means not even a single character shall be present in the string. Then only it will return true. Else it will return false. Okay. Now I'll say A3 dot is blank. This is a JDK11 function. Okay.
Is empty.
So will it return true or false? What would be your
True.
guesses?
True.
Okay. Checks if the given string is blank or not. So in this case, it returns true. Okay. Now I'll say, now in this case, it returns true or false.
False.
False. Empty space.
Mhm.
Yep.
It will return true. What do you mean by blank? Containing only white spaces or empty string. Clear? In either of these conditions, it will return true. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
We use A3 dot is blank more regularly when we are dealing with databases. Okay. Checks if the given string is starting with the word today. Returns true if the above condition is satisfied, else false. What is the output?
False.
Really? Really,
Yeah,
is it
that
false?
36 line A3 equals to
Hmm. Yes, it will return false. Now,
true.
is it true or
True,
false?
true.
Mm-hmm. Now,
False.
False.
It is case.
Case sensitive. Today.
yes. Yes, it is false because I've converted the whole string to a small letters. Then I'm checking whether the string which is converted to small letters is starting with the word today, with this word today. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, is it true or false?
True.
Still false.
It's true. I converted this
Convert
string
to
to
uppercase.
uppercase. That means the string is converted to capital letters completely. Then after the conversion is done, I will check whether it starts with the word today in capital letters.
Okay. Okay.
Be careful, Vasu.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We feel like we know things, but we need to See what is happening.
Mm,
Now,
A3, A3.
True.
yes, because we in both the places we are using the same string
Yeah.
variable. So it doesn't matter much. Yeah, clear everybody?
Yes, yes.
Now
Today we are. Today we are. False.
it's true, Balram. The sentence
Oh,
is starting
starts
with
with
True,
today
sir.
today.
are. Okay. 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 I thought like it's not taking it's incomplete sentence, right? So, okay, got it.
The
So,
whole point is that you're starting with today we are.
yeah.
Now,
False.
now it is false. Now everyone understood what is the starts with syntax? How are we playing around?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So I'll say a3 dot ends with. So checks if the given string is
Ends with
in the
function.
word functions.
Functions. True.
Returns true if the above condition is satisfied. Else false. What is the output?
True.
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 True. True. Okay. Ends with.
Now
Yes, true.
True.
it's false. I have not
Ends
added
with
apostrophe.
function.
Ends with function and ends the apostrophe.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
System dot. Ends with three. True.
What is the output?
True.
Maybe false.
It's true only. I'm comparing the same string, right?
Yeah.
3 dot. Now what is the
False.
output?
False.
False. I hope this part is clear for everybody. Ends with, starts with
Yeah.
different examples.
Yes.
Ends with starts with.
String is immutable or immutable?
Immutable. Why and all we will discuss later. For that you need to know certain OOPS concepts.
Okay. Thank you.
S3 A3 dot replace E with I. What we are doing here? We are replacing the letter E with letter I across the whole string. Okay. So what's the output?
Today WI.
Hmm.
ARI.
Yes.
Then everything will replace with.
Yes. You see here? All the E's have been replaced to I.
Yeah.
Now what is the output here in this case? Any guesses? You need not execute this code in your editor. You can just tell me.
System.out A.3 plus target 2s and 3s. Replace 2s. There's nothing, right?
Probably an
Yeah,
error.
it's not.
Nothing will be
Mhm.
replaced.
It will not throw an error.
It will
If
print
the
the
key,
statement as
It
it
will
is.
just set as it
yes,
is. Yeah.
replaced is not present in the string, it will print the original string. This is very important. Generally, when we deal with any operations, like string functions are like bread and butter, guys. You cannot even predict how many use cases will be there. There's so many use cases. Okay.
It will print the statement.
Sorry?
It will print the statement. What?
It will print the original string. What is the original string here?
Okay.
Right? Is this clear, everybody? Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now,
Only about will replace it was.
mm-hmm.
And the statement is it is.
Yes. Now we have another function called as replace first. So what does it do? It's again a JDK11 function. Let me mention it here. So it replaces the first occurrence of T with U. It will not disturb the whole string. It will replace only the first occurrence of T. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? So see here, today we are learning about the word about. You had a letter T here. It was replaced by letter U. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the replace function behavior is different in JavaScript. In JavaScript, it will replace only the first occurrence. Got it? In Java, it will replace the complete, like it will replace all the occurrences. In JavaScript and TypeScript, it will replace only the first occurrence. So since we will be discussing JavaScript again as for Postman, you will see me iterating the same functions again there. Okay. Okay. So what next?
Rahul, can you just tell the statement again? Again, the JavaScript, what you said.
JavaScript, it will replace only the, if I use the replace function in JavaScript or TypeScript, it will replace only the first occurrence of E. It will not replace the all the occurrences of E.
Okay.
So there's a difference
Okay.
you need to remember. When we discuss Postman, you will definitely know all these things.
That is equals to replace first in Java.
Yes. When I say A1.A3.repeater5, repeats the same string for 5 times. And it's a JDK11 function. So what is the output here?
It will print 5 times.
Yes, it will print the same string for 5 times. Okay?
Same line.
In the same line, not in a different line. If you want to print it in a different line,
/n.
let's give it a try. I'm not so sure. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it will not work this way properly. Like you see, it will not work this way. You have to put the /n within the string. Okay? Is this clear, everyone? How are we repeating the strings?
Yes, yes.
Can you just close that console? Because, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So what is the next one?
So A3 dot tab you're pressing to get that functions.
Oh, wait. This is Mac. Wait. Yeah, it's automatically coming in Mac. In Windows also, it will come ideally the same way.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go with this function called as 4. What is this caret of 4? Fetches the character that is present at fourth index position. When I say fourth index position, remember the word. Whenever I say the word index position, we start counting the character of the string from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the character present at fourth index position? It will
Why?
return letter
1,
Y.
2, 3, 4,
It's
5.
not 1, 2, 3 for Balaram. It is
No, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the word index position is used, we need to count the character starting from 0, not from 1. This is a pointer, you have to remember it forever. As long as we are into the field of programming, when I say index position, you need to start counting from 0, not from what do you call 1. Okay, so I'll say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this clear, everyone? What do you mean by index position?
Yeah.
Now, what is the output?
Character at 40.
Hmm. What's the output?
Oh,
Hmm?
oh,
It's letter O. Okay. Now
No, I think nothing would be there because
it will throw an error. In this case, it will
uh,
throw an error. Throws an
because
error as we are trying to access the length of the string,
more than
trying to access beyond the size of the string.
yeah, we on the side of this thing.
So it will throw an error in Java C hash. In JavaScript, it will print undefined. JavaScript is a very weird language. That is why for any people who are trying to start their career in automation, I would highly recommend to start their career with Java because it's a strictly typed language. You will understand the programming fundamentals, programming concepts, programming engineering. Then if you go with JavaScript, it'll be like, okay, it's some change of behavior because JavaScript is one of the most weird languages. One of the most weird languages. Okay. Throws an error as we are trying to access beyond the size of the string. Now you see here, it's printing in red color, right? How it is printing in red color? Because
System error.
it's system.error.println. The reason behind it is internally it will call this system.err.println. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll comment this code because we have not discussed exception handling. So let's comment this code. A 3.caret of -10. What will be the output?
-10. It will start from reverse, right? This side.
No, same issue. It will throw an error. What
Okay.
did I tell you? Beyond the size of the string.
We
When I said
understand.
beyond the size,
Ah,
it can be this way, it can be that way also.
okay.
It can be in the negative side also, it can be in the positive side also. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, any doubts, guys? We are almost done with the time. Any doubts?
Rahul, okay, tell me one thing. Like now, when we put as -10,
Hmm.
-10 only, right? You put in.
Hmm.
Okay, so basically, the negative index starts from right to left, right? Or
There is
from
no concept of negative index in
negative index
Java.
is not there. Okay.
No negative index in Java.
In Python, we have.
That's we have
Python
in
we have,
Python. Yeah.
Python we have, in TypeScript and JavaScript we have.
Yeah.
But in
Okay.
Python also not the same caret function. There will be some other function. Okay.
Okay.
Java C hash we don't have this negative
Okay.
indexing.
Okay.
Anything else, guys?
String concept completed, huh?
No, this is just
Oh,
the start.
okay, okay. Yeah,
Picture बाकी है.
yeah.
Balram knows it.
Yeah, some string pool sometimes while attending interviews they are asking.
Every function of string you should know, guys. There's no discount
There are
in
too
this. We have
many.
to,
There are too many.
I mean, there are too many, I understand. That's why we are all here. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, anything else, guys?
That's it. Thank you, Rahul.
Mm-hmm.
Where can I get this notes, programs? Are you sharing?
You just DM me. I'll tell you how to look into it.
Where in that WhatsApp group?
In the WhatsApp group, you go to the group description. You'll have my number. You just DM me. I'll tell you how to look into it. Okay.
You said a DNM.
DM, like, see,
Direct message.
drop a, bro, do a direct message to me. Sorry. Yeah, hi, Balram. Yeah, I've received it. I'll drop a hi to you. Okay.
Mm,
Your number here.
It's there in the group description. You can check it.
I'm dropping off. Thank you, Rahul.
Yeah, you carry on. Yeah.
Bye.
Continuation. Okay. If you have anything else, you can I can clarify your doubts. Else, we can catch up in the next session.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
sir. Bye bye.
Mm,
Thank you.
mm.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, Rahul. I'm Bharani from
Yes.
Chennai. Yeah. Hi. Today,
Who's this?
this is Bharani from Chennai.
Hi, Barney.
Yeah. Rahul, is that since now it is demo section is going, or that paid section will be continued from this class itself?
Yes, I mean, this is the final demo session to the best of my knowledge. So
Okay.
we have already had, this is the fourth session.
So tomorrow that will be from the paid section, right? Just now
Yes,
I have
correct,
seen the
correct,
2 videos
correct,
right now.
correct, correct.
Okay. So today, by tomorrow I can pay it, or
Yeah, you can pay for tomorrow.
okay. So is it for a rest assured, or it could be an Selenium? How the
Yeah,
thing?
if you want to go,
Mm.
if you take Selenium, rest assured is automatically included. If you want your only rest assured, you can pay only up to rest assured. So that beyond that, after rest assured topics are completed, you will be done with your training.
It could be partially it can be paid, or it could be full time. I
You can
mean,
talk to the admin team on this. This payments part is something I'm not
okay,
involved.
sure.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Actually, I have nearly 11 to 12 years of experience in testing. So I'm into the Salesforce testing.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't have much background about this automation stuff and all.
Okay. Okay.
I thought,
Cool.
I
No
thought,
worries. See, no worries. You just follow the flow of the class. Be
Mhm.
regular to the sessions, and you'll be in the show. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Is it recorded classes? I mean,
Yes,
sections will
this
be
class
available?
session is recorded. The session is recorded. You
No, no.
can.
In the case of paid section, is it recorded sections will be available, or it could be? I mean, is that it will be like live sections only will be? We have to come for
I
that.
didn't get you, Bharani. You will get the recordings. That is one thing. But we recommend you to attend the sessions in live. Okay.
Yeah, I mean to say, like, is it any materials or notes or
Material.
something?
Yeah. Once you make the
Yeah,
payment, you'll be giving the access to all the class portal, the quizzes, the notes, everything. You'll get it.
uh, yeah, I mean to say that only. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, Rahul.
Sorry. Sorry.
I'll check with admin team better.
Yes. Please check it.
Yeah, Rahul.
Yes. Amit.
Hello. Yeah, hi. Actually, I missed today's session. Actually, I'm traveling during the session, so I missed some major topics today's session.
Mm.
So, string is end or it will be
Next class, it will
continue
continue.
tomorrow?
We are continuing with the next class. Strings, we just started, like as Balaram said, strings, we have just started.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So I will get today's session video.
Yes, you will get it.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm. Okay, then. Anything else?
Okay. No, no. Thank you.
Bye, Radhika. See you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Radhika, go ahead.
Okay. I don't know, somehow I'm not able to use my mic. I don't know what happened. Rahul, I'm not able to find your name in this group.
And you have to check in the group description. Go to the group
Um,
description, Radhika.
this.
You are in the group description.
Yes, got it.
My number is there. You can ping me personally. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Once you made the payment, if you have made the payment, just let me know so that I will add you.
Yes, I made it.
Yeah. Cool then.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.